Hello everyone. Today's question is, which one you like the best? Shower gel, creamy body wash, or just the regular old-fashioned bar of soap? Tell me which one you like the best. Also, do you use a combination of shower gel and body wash, which is the creamy body wash, or a combination of shower gel and a bar of soap? Which combination do you do, or which single one you like by itself? Today I'm doing a simple eyeshadow look. I am using the Ace Beauty Palette to Poly palette. I did not pull the cards for the game. I am just using the palette by itself. I'm just looking at the colors and decide which ones I'm going to use. Just so you can see, you can buy the palette without playing the game, or you can buy the palette and play the game. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I have very hooded eyes and I like to play with colorful eyeshadows. If you like that and you want to subscribe, please go ahead and do, but I appreciate you stopping by for your view. Thank you very much for stopping by. I'm using this blue. It is a matte color. It is beautiful, beautiful. Take a look. Very pretty. This time of year is sad for a lot of people. I know you have heard me say that before, but I want us to keep these people in mind. There are people who live alone. There are people who are shut in because they're sick. There are people with different reasons why, they are alone. And loneliness and depression sets in more this time of year. Let us try reach out to them. I'm going to go into a blue. The first color I have is called Leg Warmer. Again, did you own a pair of leg warmers? Let me know in the comments. If you own a pair of leg warmers, I would love to know what color leg warmers you had. I had a white one back in the day. So let me know which color you had. This color I am using is a shimmer. It is called Boy Band. There were many boy bands back in the day. There was the Jackson 5. There were others. Put a couple names down in the comments. Let's keep this going. This is so pretty. So again, let us reach out to, if we know someone, if we have a friend or a friend of a friend that you talk to and they live alone, or they are alone, or they are shut in, they are bedridden, they are sick, whatever the situation might be. Reach out during this time of year just to say hello, because that might be all they need, a hi hello from somebody. So let's try do that. Okay, so on my right eye I have Boy Band and leg warmers, one matte, one shimmer. On my left eye I am going to use Acid Wash. And Acid Wash is also a shimmer. It's blue also. I had an Acid Wash pair of jeans I had an acid wash pair, well, not a pair, but a skirt. And it was the one where you can make it long and short. It had a zipper that goes all the way around, so you can zip all the way around, or you can take it off and make it, it could be a mini or a long skirt. And I like that, and I wear that, I think, until I couldn't wear it anymore. So in the comments you can put down your acid wash, whatever, if it was a pants, a jacket, whatever acid wash it was. I'm taking the brush and I am just going to go over it, because I like a lot of colors. I use the palette of poly to create this look, and I use 3 colors in there. I use this blue right here, which is leg warmers, this shimmer blue, which is on my right eye, which will be your left, is called Boy Band. It's a shimmer. And this blue right here, which is on my left eye, which will be your right, it's also a shimmer. It is called Acid Wash. That's a shimmer. Leg warmer is a matte blue. I have it on both eyes. And then I use this blue, which is Boy Band, a shimmer. And this blue, which is Acid Wash, and it's over here, and it is also a shimmer. So 2 different eye looks using one matte, 2 separate shimmers. So this is today's look. Today's question: do you like shower gels, creamy body wash, or a bar of soap? After today's inspirational word, I will let you know which ones I like the best. Today's inspirational encouraging word is: we learn wisdom from failure much more than success. We often discover what we will do by finding out what we will not do. And that's by Samuel Smiles. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I like shower gels and a bar of soap. I use both of them every time. The creamy shower gel is not my favorite, but give me shower gel and the bar soap, and that is what I like. Again, leave all your answers in the comments. I like it. We having a conversation. It's keeping us active in the comments. I love that very, very much. Again, be well. Reach out to someone who needs a friend or a hi hello this time of year, because it is very sad and depressing and lonely for a lot of people. Bye.